Hi everybody, this is my first Arduino project and first YouTube video. Anyway, what we have is a PS2. There's an Arduino built in. This is an access point. This is a router. There's an Arduino Ether 10, a little modified board, two 25 amp motor controllers, spike relays, and then the cover for this has a fan that keeps everybody cool. So anyway, the way this works is you must start the router and the what we'll call robot side first, and you can hopefully see that it's coming alive. Okay, the plug was loose. And once that side's fired up, then the actual driver side can go. And if you guys can see it, it takes a second for the two to start talking, but once they do, the LEDs blink very rapidly. And so now we're up to, hopefully we can see that. And I can also actually reboot the Arduino wirelessly. The Arduino is now rebooted. So the motors, it's hard to do with one hand. So there's pretty full control. And we're having an issue. I've got to change the sticks in this. Anyway, I know for a fact that with stock antennas, good for 300 feet, not a problem. These are, I think, 7 dB. Yeah, 7 dB range extenders. I have preliminary guaranteed for 700 feet, and I suspect it's further than that. And just in case anybody thinks that there's anything else connected here, there isn't. And one other little thing that happens sometimes, stick it back in, it's good again. We'll stop it. Anyway, thanks for watching, and hopefully there'll be more.